Hello and welcome to the course on Power BI. I'm super excited to have you on board, and today we're going to learn how to install Power BI onto our computer. Now, a quick caveat is that Power BI at this stage is not available for Macs. It is available for your Windows computer, and that's where we'll be installing it and where we'll be working with it. At the same time, you can also install it on your iPad or mobile device using the associated application store, whether it's Apple Store or other stores. But the development that we're going to be doing is going to be happening in Power BI for Windows. Alright, so in order to install Power BI, we're going to need a browser, and then in Google, just go to download Power BI. So search for that. Now, the link that you need is actually, let me just click search there. The link that you need is powerbi.microsoft.com/en/downloads. So let's go ahead and go to that link. And here, you can see that you've got a couple of options. So you've got Microsoft Power BI Desktop, on-premises gateway, Microsoft Power BI for mobile, so you can download it for a mobile device. But this is to look at your applications that you've created rather than actually create them. And Microsoft Power BI Publisher for Excel. So the one we want is Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Go ahead and click download. Alright, so that's going to take a little bit of time to download. It's about 100 megabytes. Alright, so once the file has been downloaded, just go ahead and launch it, and that will prompt you to install Microsoft Power BI. So let's walk through this process together. Check the software terms, agree if you agree, click next, select where you want to install it. I usually leave the default path, click next, create a desktop shortcut, yes please, and just go ahead and install. So sometimes this security window will pop up if you have your firewall on or some security settings on in Microsoft Windows, and so just click yes and go ahead, and it shouldn't take long to install. It takes just a couple of minutes at most. So there we go, it's finished, and now you can just go ahead and launch Microsoft Power BI. Alright, wonderful. So there we go, Microsoft Power BI is installed, and in the future tutorials, we're going to learn how to use it. We've got a very exciting journey ahead, and I can't wait for you to find all the powerful features available in Microsoft Power BI. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Until then, happy analyzing.